Welcome to our channel Information Center. For railway news, search www.railnewscenter.com. Here we will see model question and answer for Office Superintendent Departmental Examination of Railway. First question is, for miscarriage including abortion, what period of maternity leave may be granted? 6 weeks, 45 days, 7 weeks or 43 days? The answer is 45 days. Next question is, maximum days of leave on average pay that can be accumulated is 120, 180, 190 or 300 days. The answer is 300 days. Next, how many days of LAP per year can be credited to a school staff? 10 days, 5 days, 7 days or 8 days? Answer is 10 days. Next question is, a trade apprentices may be granted leave on full stipend for a period not exceeding dash days per year. 15 days, 13 days, 10 days or 12 days. The answer is 12 days. Next, when no leave is admissible under any other rule, the leave granted is known as LAP, LHAP, SPL leave, extraordinary leave. The answer is extraordinary leave. Next question is, what is the maximum period of leave on average pay at time that a railway servant may be granted? 120 days, 160 days, 180 days, 300 days. The answer is 180 days. Next question is, paternity leave is also admissible to A. Casual labor, B. Casual labor with temporary status, C. After completion of 180 days of service, D. After regular absorption. Answer is casual labor with temporary status. Next question is, hospital leave granted to a non-gazetted railway servant should not exceed a total of dash when combined with other leave. Option A 24 months, B 26 months, C 28 months, D 18 months. Answer is 28 months. Next question is, who is the authority to grant study leave abroad? Answer A Railway Board, B GM, C DRM or D CPO. The answer is Railway Board. Our next question is, study leave shall count for A. Reckoning seniority, B. Reckoning increment, C. Earning LAP, D. Earning LHAP. Answer is earning LAP. Our next question is, how many set of school pass issued to railway employee? A 6 set per year, B 4 set per year, C 3 set per year, D 5 set per year. Answer is 3 set per year. Next question is, maximum berth given for reservation to railway officer on duty. A 6 berths, B 4 berths, C 3 berths, D 2 berths. Answer is 4 berths. Our next question is, when higher class pass issued? A on medical ground, B on scouts and guides, C none of these, D cultural functions. Answer is on medical ground. Our next question is, full form of PTO is A. Personal ticket order, B. Permanent ticket order, C. Privilege ticket order, or it's D. Pass and ticket order. The answer is privilege ticket order. Next question is, irregularity for use of passes may be condemned by A. CPO, B. GM, C. CME, D. COM. Answer is GM. Next question is, split passes are issued to which railway servant? A. Only Group A service, B. All officers, C. All railway servants, A, B, C, and D, or it's D. Only GM and AGM. Answer is all railway servants A, B, C, D. Next question is, who is the competent authority for delayed issue of settlement pass beyond 1 year of retirement of Group C and D employees? The right answer among all four options is GM, AGM or CPO, DRM. Next question is, on what grounds a first class school pass is issued to a second class pass holders? The right answer among all these options is study in Oak Grove School, Jaripani, Dehradun. Our next question is, set means. The right answer among all these options is set means one set of pass or PTO for outward and return journey. The next question is, maximum validity for a privilege pass is A 3 month half set, B 4 month full set, C 2 month half set, D 5 month full set. Answer is 5 month full set. Our next question is, four taps running at the same rate fill systems in 15 minutes. How long will be three tap take to fill the same systems? Answer is 20 minutes. Next question is, what is the current date from which the Railway Servants Rule 1968 come into force? The answer among all these four options is C, on the first day of October 1968. Next question is, Board of Inquiry appointed by the Disciplinary Authority. The right answer among all these four options is not less than 2 members. Next question is, which number of standard form is used for issuance of major penalty charge sheet on disciplinary proceedings? The right answer among all four options is SF5. Next, which is the relevant rule in the RS rules 1968 for common proceedings? The right answer among all these four options is Rule 13. The next question in our model question paper set is, whether the disciplinary case is initiated against a railway servant and RS rule subsequently he is expired, his case should be. The right answer among all these options is closed. Next, what would be correct procedure when a faulty charge sheet requires modification addition? The right answer among all these options is cancelling the earlier charge sheet with reason. The next question in our model question paper is, how many annexures are attached with major penalty charge memorandum? Option A 2, B 3, C 5, D 4. The right answer among all these four is answer is D 4. Next question is, how many cases are dealing a retired railway employee as a defense assistant at a time? Option A 5, B 7, C 3. The right answer is 7, which is option 3. Next question is, suspension is not a punishment. However, suspension visit employees with various disadvantages. Which one of the following is not a disadvantage as a consequence of suspension? The right answer is he need not sign attendance register. Next is, when a railway employee placed under suspension but only a minor penalty is imposed, the treatment of the suspension period is as. The right answer is duty. Our next question in this model paper is, an employee under suspensions when he reports sick is eligible for grant of sick leave. The right answer is not grant of sick leave. The next question in our model paper is, how many standard form that are used while initiating action against any railway employee under D and A rules 1968? The right option among all these is 11. The next question in our model set paper is: the work of an employee is to be regarded as essentially intermittent if his daily duty hours include one period of inaction of not less than 1 hour or two such periods of not less than an hour each and various period of inaction aggregating dash % or more. Answer is 50. Next, the following are not in penalty under DNA rule. The right answer among all these four options is warning. The next question in our model set paper is: the standard hours of duty for intensive class of employment of railway servants shall be. The right answer among all these four options is 42 hours a week. The next question in our model paper is: the employment of a railway servant is said to be dash when it has been declared to be so by the prescribed authority on the ground that it is of strenuous nature involving continued concentration or hard manual labor with little or no period relaxation. Answer is intensive. Next, as per railway servant rules 2005, short of means a period of rest which in the case of intensive workers is less than dash hours in a roster of 6 hours duty. The right answer among all these four options is 12. Next question is: review of suspension case is done. Option A 4 months, B 3 months, C 2 months, D none. The right answer is after 3 months. Next question in our model question paper set is: inquiry is not mandatory under rule. Option A rule 5, option B rule 14, option C rule 13. Answer is rule 14. Next is DA rule 1960 will not apply to. The right answer among all these four options is apprentice. The next question in our model question paper set is: railway servants rule 2005 have been made under the powers conferred by. The right answer is section 136 of the Railway Act 1989. The next question in our model question paper set is: railway servant whose employment is essentially intermittent shall be granted rest of not less than dash consecutive hours including a full night. The right answer is 24. Next question in our set is: whether divisional safety officer can act as disciplinary authority in the case of misconduct of deputy SS working under DOM. The right answer is divisional safety officer is not competent. The next question is: what is the permissible time limit for preferring a revision petition to the revising authority? The answer among all these four options is 45 days. The next question in our model set question paper is: during the pendency of a penalty of stoppage of past PTO, whether promotion of railway staff will be affected. The answer is promotion will not be affected. Next question in our model set question paper is: which of the following person is not allowed to be engaged as defense counsel? The right answer among all these four options is a legal petitioner. The next question in our model question paper set is: reappointment under Rule 402 RI, a railway employee may be given full benefit of past service. And the right answer among all these four options is for feature of past service. A grade C staff in pay scale of up to N, including rupees 5,000 to 8,000 placed under suspension, who is the actual competent authority in his grade? The answer is J grade officer. Next, which of the following is not included under the definition of wages given under Payment of Wages Act 1936? The answer is gratuity. Now we will see some numerical questions on the screen. Pointing to a photograph of a boy, Suresh said, "He is the son of the only son of my mother. How is Suresh related to that boy?" The answer is father. The next question in this set is introducing a boy, a girl said, "He is the son of the daughter of the father of my uncle." How is the boy related to the girl? The answer is brother. The next question in this model paper is which train in India has the longest route length? The right answer among all these four options is Kanyakumari, Dibrugarh, Vivek Express. The next question in this model question paper is which of the following is the largest zone in term of route kilometer? Option A Western Railway, B Eastern Railway, C Northern Railway, D Southern Railway. The right answer is Northern Railway. The next question is which of the following is the largest marshalling yard in India? Also the longest in Asia. Option A is Mughal Sarai, B Mathura, C Itarsi, D Guntakal. Answer is A Mughal Sarai. Next, the Maitri Express connect India with which of the following countries? A Myanmar, B Pakistan, C Bangladesh, D Nepal. The right answer among all these four options is Bangladesh. The next question is who has been given the finance portfolio in the Modi government? Option A Rajnath Singh, B Amit Shah, C Piyush Goyal, D Nirmala Sitharaman. The right answer among all these four options is Nirmala Sitharaman. The next question in our model question paper is India's first satellite is named after option A Aryabhat, B Bhaskara second, C Bhaskara first, D Albert Einstein. The right answer among all these four options is Aryabhat. Next question is which of the following is used in pencil? A graphite, B silicon, C charcoal, D phosphorus. The right answer is graphite. The next question in our model question paper set is which of the gas is not known as greenhouse gas? A methane, B nitrous oxide, C carbon dioxide, D hydrogen. The right answer among all these four options is D hydrogen. The next question is where is the railway staff college located? Option A Pune, B Allahabad, C Vadodara, D Delhi. Answer is Vadodara. Now Allahabad name has been changed that you already know. Next, the Indian Institute of Science is located at A. Kerala, B. Madras, C. Bangalore, D. New Delhi. The answer is Bangalore. The next question in our model question paper set is the Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757, 1782, 1748, or 1764. The right answer among all these four is 1757. The next question is Smriti Irani was named as the Minister of Dash. A. Railway, B. Women and Child Development, C. Human Resource Development, D. Ministry Affairs. The right answer is Women and Child Development. Next, which day is observed as World No Smoking Day? Option A 15th July, B 31st December, सी 1 जनवरी और डी 31 मई. द राइट आंसर इज 31 मई. Next, the Central Rice Research Institute is located at A. Rajamundry, B. Madra, C. Cuttack, D. Cochin. The right answer among all these four is Cuttack. Next, write the full name of following. DLW. Answer is Diesel Locomotive Works. Next is ICF, Integral Coach Factory. FOIS, Freight Operation Information System. COIS, Coaching Operation Information System. Next, ICMS, Integrated Coaching Management System. CONCOR, Container Corporation of India Limited. NFIR, National Federation of Indian Railwaymen. Next, MOSR, Minister of State for Railway. COA, Control Office Application. SPART, Self-Propelled Accident Relief Train. Next, DOPT, Department of Personnel and Training. CGHS, Central Government Health Scheme. The next question in our model question paper is, name the following station of Howrah Division. These questions will be as per your division. BHP, Bolpur. KN, Kana. Next, third, SNT, Santhia. NST, Nalhati. PSBR, Manslai Bridge. GMAN, Gumani. Next, CNS, Chuchura. BZL, Belarusian. Next, वर्तमान में भारतीय संविधान में कितनी राजभाषाएं वर्णित है? 24, 22, 14, 25. सही उत्तर है 22. चलते हैं अगले प्रश्न की ओर. अगला प्रश्न है ये, भारतीय संविधान में राजभाषाएं किस अनुसूची में वर्णित हैं? अनुसूची 5, अनुसूची 6, अनुसूची 7, अनुसूची 8. सही उत्तर है अनुसूची 8. देखते हैं अगला प्रश्न क्या है. निम्न में से कौन सा कथन राजकीय भाषाओं के संदर्भ में सही नहीं है? इन सब में सही उत्तर है पहला. चलिए चलते हैं अगले प्रश्न की ओर. निम्न में से कौन सा अनुच्छेद सुमेलित नहीं है? तो सही उत्तर है इन चारों में से अनुच्छेद 351, उच्चतम न्यायालय और उच्च न्यायालय के लिए राजभाषा. निम्न में से किसे यह अधिकार है कि वह हिंदी अथवा किसी अन्य भाषा को उच्च न्यायालय की कार्यवाही की भाषा का दर्जा दे सके? इनमें से सही उत्तर है सी, राज्यपाल ऐसा कर सकता है लेकिन उसे राष्ट्रपति की पूर्व अनुमति लेनी होगी. अगला प्रश्न है, यदि किसी व्यक्ति को उच्चतम न्यायालय में कोई जनहित याचिका लगानी हो तो याचिका किस भाषा में लिखी जानी चाहिए? सही उत्तर है केवल अंग्रेजी में. देखते हैं अगला प्रश्न क्या है. निम्न में से कौन सुमेलित है? सही उत्तर है आंध्र प्रदेश तेलुगु. बाकी सारे उत्तर गलत हैं. चलते हैं अगले प्रश्न की ओर. देखते हैं अगले प्रश्न में क्या सवाल पूछा गया है. अरुणाचल प्रदेश में कौन सी मुख्य क्षेत्रीय भाषा है? इन सब चारों ऑप्शन में से सही उत्तर है अंग्रेजी। सारे ऑप्शन को आप पढ़ते जाएं। अगला है डोगरी भाषा भारत के किस राज्य क्षेत्र में बोली जाती है? इन चारों में से सही उत्तर है जम्मू और कश्मीर प्रांत। चलते हैं अगले प्रश्न की ओर। अगला सवाल है निम्न में से कौन सी भाषा भारतीय संविधान की 8वीं अनुसूची में वर्णित नहीं है? नेपाली, कश्मीरी, सिंधी, अंग्रेजी। सही उत्तर है अंग्रेजी। ये थे मॉडल क्वेश्चन पेपर के सारे सवाल। ऐसे ही अन्य जानकारी के लिए हमारे चैनल इन्फॉर्मेशन सेंटर को सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों और परिवार में शेयर करना ना भूलें। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो इसको लाइक करें और कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएं कि ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा। इस वीडियो को पूरा देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।